let's just jump right into the video. I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and just highlighting my brow bones. I don't know why I started off with this step first, but then we jump right into the face. Primer, I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. For some foundation, I'm using my Dewy Smooth Foundation in the shade 210 Nude Beige, and I love a dewy finish. I'm not so much of a matte girl, but dewy finish is what I live for. So to conceal, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10, and I'm going to be highlighting in all the places I usually highlight. So to contour, I'm using my Maybelline Foundation Stick in the shade Coconut, and I'm lining this up with my tragus. I think that's what it's called. I don't know that word. I just looked that shit. I don't even know that off the top of my head, so don't quote me on that. And then I'm going to be blending out that concealer. So to set everywhere I highlighted, I'm going to be buffing out all the creases, and then I'm going to be setting it with my Airspun Loose Face Powder in the shade Natural Neutral. Right here, I'm just cleaning up my contour underneath it with some powder to make it look more clean and sharp. Bronze up my skin, and to set that contour, I'm using my Makeup Essentials contour palette. Pop some blush on. I'm using my favorite Tarte blush in the shade Party. It is so good. For some highlight, I'm using my Mary Luminizer highlighter. It's like one of my favorites, and you can get it at your local Target. Pretty bomb. For this white shade, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced, I think it's Sweet Peach or just Peach palette, and I'm going to be taking that white peach shade and just packing that on. So I'm going for more of a soft look. So for the crease shade, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette and using that shade Sweet Tea. Just a really soft brown, and I really love this shade for the crease shade if you're not looking for something so dramatic. It's just very soft. For mascara, I'm using the Falsies Push Drama by Maybelline. To line my lips, I'm using my Canned NYX lip liner. I love this pop of color. It is like the perfect shade. top that off, I'm using some nude lip gloss by Covergirl. And to set everything, I'm using my Pixi mist spray. This stuff is so good and refreshing. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in my next one. Bye.